Bath time may look cute in photos, but for a newborn baby, it is a serious moment of safety, warmth, and gentle care. Many new parents ask, when is the right time for the first bath? Can water enter the baby's ears? Is sunlight good for bathing? Is mustard oil massage safe? Today, as a healthcare professional, I will guide you through the safest, doctor-approved way to bathe your newborn baby. This video is especially helpful for parents in the USA and Europe, where home environments, climate, and bathing systems may be different. Stay with me till the end, because incorrect bathing can lead to hypothermia, skin irritation, cord infection, breathing problems, or injury. Part 1: When should a newborn have the first bath? According to the World Health Organization (WHO) and most pediatric associations, a newborn should not be bathed within the first 24 hours after birth ideally. Wait until the umbilical cord stump falls off and heals before that. Give only sponge baths. Waiting is important. Newborns lose heat very easily. Early bathing increases the risk of low blood sugar and hypothermia. Skin barrier is still developing. Vernix caseosa white creamy layer protects the skin. So yes, grandmothers may say, give a full bath right away. But modern medical recommendation says, wait, protect warmth, and clean gently. Part 2: Where should you bathe the baby? The safest place is inside the house. Warm room, no direct airflow from fan or window. Avoid bathrooms with cold tile floors. Outdoor bathing, sunlight bathing. USA and Europe parents tip: homes in colder climate regions use air conditioning or heating. Make sure room feels comfortably warm. Close windows to stop drafts. Pour warm towels and clothes if room is cool. Part 3: What is the ideal time for bathing? Best time: late morning to noon. Baby is awake. Baby has been fed 30 to 40 minutes earlier. Avoid right after feeding. Risk of vomiting. Late evening or night when the baby is crying excessively. Ideal bath duration: 3 to 5 minutes only. Newborns don't need long baths like adults. Part 4: What water temperature is safe? Water should be lukewarm, not hot, not cold. Simple home test: dip your elbow, not fingertip. If elbow feels comfortably warm, it's right. Target temperature for accuracy lovers: around 37 C, 98.6 F. Too hot water can burn delicate skin. To cold water drops body temperature dangerously fast. Part 5: What should be prepared before bathing? Before you start the bath, keep everything ready. Baby towel, soft cotton cloth, mild baby soap if necessary, lukewarm water, clean diaperclean clothes, baby lotion or moisturizer. The most common accident during a newborn bath is caregiver leaving baby to fetch something. Never do that. Always keep one hand supporting the baby. Part 6: Step-by-step safe newborn bathing method. Let's go through the safest doctor-recommended steps. Step 1: Wash your hands. Your hands must be clean, warm, nails trimmed. Newborns have very weak immunity.
Step 2: Undress. Gently unwrap. Slowly keep baby covered with towel. Expose only the part you're cleaning. This keeps baby warm. Step 3: Clean the face. First is soft damp cloth. No soap. Wipe eyes from inside to outside. Wipe cheeks, wipe lips, wipe ears, and behind them never insert cotton earbuds into ears. Cloth inside nose. Step 4: Sponge bath. Before cord stump falls until umbilical cord stump drops. Use sponge bath only, meaning no full body dipping in tub. Keep stump dry and clean. Step 5: Full bath after cord falls off and the navel heals. Gently wet the body. Wash arms, legs, chest, and back. Wash diaper area last. Rinse quickly. Wash hair last and dry quickly. We wash hair last. Head loses heat fastest. Support the neck fully every second. Part 7: Which soap is safe? Use fragrance-free mild baby soap or cleanser. Avoid adult soap. Antiseptic soap. Scented harsh cleanser. Use soap only 1 to 2 times per week. Daily soap damages skin moisture. Part 8: Drying after bath. After bath, wrap baby in soft towel. Pat dry. Do not rub dry skin. Folds carefully. Neck, armpits, groin folds cause fungal rashes, irritation. Chin. Part 9: Oil, powder, and lotion. What is safe? Mustard oil and sun exposure are traditional, but not medically recommended. Avoid mustard oil before bath. Powder. Risk of inhalation. Strong perfumed oils. You may use gentle baby lotion. Small amount of baby oil apply after bath, not before. Part 10: When should you avoid bathing? Do not bathe if baby has fever, severe cold, or cough. Baby is underweight, premature, cord stump is red, Swollen or oozing pus. Baby is very sleepy or weak. Clean with warm cloth instead and contact a doctor. Part 11. What if baby cries during bath? Very common. Baby may cry because water too cold or hot, fear of new sensation, hunger, handling. Stay calm. Talk gentlest. Umbilical bath short. Babies relax when they feel secure. Part 12. Myths versus medical truth. Bathing in sunlight is healthy. Risk of dehydration and sunburn. Oil inside ear or nose is helpful. It causes infection risk. Daily bath is necessary. 2 to 3 times weekly is enough. Powder keeps baby dry. Powder harms lungs. Final message for parents: bathing is not just cleaning. It is a beautiful bonding moment. Hold your baby close. Talk softly. Give warmth and security. Your touch is the biggest comfort your newborn will ever know. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.